feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Okay. I see you. Okay, so what's up, YouTube? It's your girl J Love, and welcome back to my channel. So, you guys were here for another review. I know that I said I wanted to switch it up and do some, something different other than wig reviews, which I am working on. So I didn't disappear. I am working on it, you guys. I know I probably seem like I ain't doing shit, but I am. But I'm here. I'm excited because I have another review, and you're gonna be surprised what's inside. Actually, I'm gonna be surprised what's inside because, as you can see, I didn't even open this box. But anyway, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. If you're an OG, hey OGs, I say this all the time. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I don't want to talk too much because I know I can talk a lot. Okay. So this hair is from, I think this one is mink hair. Yeah, this is mink hair on Amazon. Of course, all the details again will be in the description below. Because you guys always ask in the comments. I'm sorry, guys. This is definitely not mink hair. This is Miss Ilsa. I don't know why I was thinking of her, but I still said the wrong name. So this is Miss Ilsa hair. The details are right here of what the wig is. And it says Miss Ilsa copper red lace. Half handmade, 24 inches. Oh my gosh, this is 24 inches. And then she has her information here. I love Miss Ilsa. She's so nice, and I love working with her, and really good hair seller. But if you want details on this wig, well, actually, I love this hair too, because I know people probably gonna ask about this. But this is from wrong company. This hair is from Mink Hair. Yeah, this hair is from Mink Hair. And this hair is really good. I had it for about 2 months now, so yeah, I like it a lot. If you want details on it, I'll leave the hair details for this below. And I usually wear it a different style, and it usually looks better than this. However, I just kind of slapped it on for the sake of the video because I wasn't trying to show up with a wig cap. So I was like, you know what, let me just. So yeah, it's not glued on or anything. I literally just threw it on my head, but I really do like the hair. And I'll insert pictures and videos or whatever here so you guys can see what it looked like. But so this is my first time unboxing a hair, like literally, my first time seeing the hair on the video. But she gave me 2 wig caps, and it comes with 2 wig caps, which is good because I stay needing wig caps. Okay, so this hair is kind of pretty, actually. This is synthetic hair, you guys. The price, it was about $37, I believe. And it's really curly. Oh my. It actually doesn't smell like this, hair that usually stinks when you get it. It actually smells clean. It doesn't smell like, it really doesn't smell bad. That's cool. That's cool. But here's the inside of it. And it comes with 2, back straps, a comb, 3 combs. 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then here is the lace. So the lace is very white. Yeah, we're gonna have to try to make that work, but that is the lace. There are no knots, so you don't have to bleach in. Plus, I wouldn't do it anyway. I'm not bleaching. I'm not wasting my bleach on synthetic hair to bleach the knots. No, absolutely not. But this hair is really cute. I think it's cute for like freaking fall. Like, we in the fall season. And actually my birthday is November 21st, so I will drop this video beforehand because like I'll be 21. How she only 21 if she is savage? How she only 21 she is how she only 21 she is savage. I just messed that whole thing up. It wasn't even lit no more. But yeah, let's get this wig on. That's what you guys are here for, right? So I will be right back.
I'm feeling myself.
I see you. Okay, so here she is. It's actually really cute, if you ask me. Oh, I say I don't know where my brush is, but here it is. I usually use a wig brush, but I have it's wet right now, so we're just going to use this. What do you guys think? I have freaking orange hair, you guys. I don't even know what to say because I have orange hair. It's like I'm not used to wearing colored hair anymore, at least. And yeah, I think it's really like, look how it's brushing right through. Look at that. And then the curls bounce right back. Oh, this is so cute. You would think this is human. It doesn't, you can tell that it's synthetic by the feel of it, but it's not one of those naughty synthetic wigs that just kind of just nap up, especially for curly hair. I want this exact wig in black. Oh my gosh, I would wear this for my, if this hair was black, I would wear it for my birthday, because this is the type of style that I'm actually looking for. Like the same exact curl pattern, the length, everything about this is perfect. I'm gonna ask her if she has this in black, because this is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes, y'all. Okay. It's pretty. I like it. I do. But yeah, this is just, I just want you guys to see, like, this is it straight out the box. No tweaking, no touching. I'm just as new seeing it as you guys are. I guess we can play with it for a little bit before I cut the lace and kind of see the parting space when you get closer. From the looks of things, it doesn't look good, really. Like, you would have to do some plucking pretty much to get the part that you're looking for, which I don't mind doing right now. I'm just being lazy, like thinking of plucking. It just takes time, and I'm like, I don't feel like doing that. But goodness, I hate wearing lip gloss when you got wigs and stuff on, because it just sticks to the hair. So yeah, this is not this isn't that ain't it, sis. No. But this is it. So yeah, you can definitely feel it getting tangled a little. Okay, you guys, so I am going to cut the lace and then we'll go from there. I don't know, maybe I should put some powder on it so it won't be as white. That is a downside. The lace is like super duper white. I don't know who this wig was for. Never mind, I know. Definitely wasn't for me. So yeah, I'm using these okie dokie scissors, but that's all I have, so that's just what it's gonna be. Okay, so as y'all can see with the lace cut, the lace is still super white. So what I'm gonna do is get some makeup, and I'm gonna use some powder and pretty much darken this lace as much as possible, because that's not going to work. I don't have a white scalp, so it looks weird. So yeah, we just gonna darken this lace real quick, and then we'll see what it does from here. So I'm just gonna use this. If you watch my videos, then you know I use this palette often for this. It's a contour and highlight palette, and I'm just gonna pretty much use the darkest one and then go in with it. See how it's like not as white anymore. So when you get lace like this, if it's cheap lace or a synthetic wig, it ain't the end of the world, sis. Just get you some powder that matches your skin and just dap it in there, and then kind of put a little on your forehead so it just blends as much as possible. It's cute. So this is it, you guys. Literally, you saw exactly what I did. I did not do much to it. the lace got darker. It starts to blend in more. And I just did my edges a little to make it look natural. Well, not natural, because obviously it ain't natural color, but, you know, to look better. It don't look wiggy and, like, fake or whatever. Y'all get what I'm saying. So this is it, and I'm actually really feeling this color, and I'm like, wow, like, I was not expecting this. I really was not. Like, the hair is so pretty for it to be a synthetic, and the reason why I keep saying that is because this is not no human hair. So for it to look this good and like really have the color is amazing. I really adore this color. It's like I low-key really want to glue it on now to try to do an updo or something. I think I'm gonna still try it without the glue. But this is the hair. What do you guys think? Like, I freaking have orange hair. I did color one of my wigs in my previous videos, like in the beginning, and you can kind of see that because it's like the thumbnail. But it wasn't this color, and this is kind of what I was going for because it was this type of hair, like the wave, but I don't know, it didn't come out how I wanted it to, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So now I get to kind of relive that. I love it. It's so cute. And this is how you slay your wig for beginners. This is definitely a beginner's video because a lot of people think, you know, that most people don't like to glue their wigs on. Most people don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on the wig. So if you looking for something like this in this nature, they have different colors. This was not the only one. She has like pinks and blues, and let me know, guys, should I be trying these other colors? Because I wasn't sure. Like, I'm like, I don't know, I'm not really a color person, but like I'm feeling this a lot. So let me know what colors that you would like to see me try, and I will definitely make that happen. But again, yeah, if you want to have like, because again, this was only $37 compared to how much my wigs, you know, usually be. So I think this is a really good price for those who are beginners, or just even if you look interested in trying to get to know wigs and you're not a wig person. These are like the steps that you want to take because it's, you know, it's simple and you don't have to break the bank to do so. So that's just a little bit on that. And then, I mean, I kind of want to play with the hair a little bit for you guys. Like, I'm just like, sorry. But this is it. But yeah, it's just as cute. Pop in and pop in, pop it, lock it, drop it. Let me show y'all the back. It might look nappy or something. Let me see. I don't know what it looked like from the back, so y'all be the judge. Can y'all see it? This hair is 24 inches, so it is, you know, it's pretty long actually. It touches my butt, and I am 5'2", so it is long. I'm gonna try to stand up a little. See if y'all can see it there. Like, yes, it's very flowy. It's kind of heavy actually. The hair is low-key really heavy, but it lets you know that it's full, because it is full. All right, you guys, so that really is this video. I don't want to, you know, keep going on and on about it because we all know that it looks cute. Like, you know, I said that already. So I'm just going to wrap it up here. I really hope that you liked unboxing this wig with me because this was very exciting and, what's the word? Spontaneous? Is that the word? Yeah, it's going to work. Because I didn't know what to expect. You guys didn't know what to expect. So we kind of opened it up together, and that was pretty cool, especially for it to come out cute because I was scared. Trust me, I was scared. I'd be scared with synthetic wigs, but I'd be like, we be sleeping on synthetic hair, clearly. So yeah. You know, I'm trying to go post on social media now because I feel cute. But I do thank you guys so much for watching. I will bring out more colors if you guys want to see that. And then my other videos for those who are kind of getting bored of these wig videos. But thank you so much for supporting me. If you have any questions that I didn't answer about this hair, because I probably didn't answer too many, drop them down below. You know, I always will respond as fast as I can. And yeah, let's chat in the comments. And yeah, let's start our business, girl. Let's start our YouTube channels. Let's stop procrastinating and let's get it started. No matter how you start, no matter what you have to start, just start. So thank you so much for watching this video with me, and stay tuned for another episode of J Love on TV. You know what? I'm about to change my name. Maybe I should be like Auburn. No, this is not. This is Red Copper. Call me Copper. That's my name. Bye, y'all.
Now work, tripping off that perk, flipping up my skirt, and I be whipping all that work.